Alright, so today we have a new ponytail to review, guys. This is by Free Trust Equal. It's a two-piece ponytail set. It comes with the drawstring ponytail and a clip-on bang. So yes, this is what the model looks like. And this is what the packaging looks like. So you get a China bang and a ponytail. So the style of this is called Loose Deep, and I have it in the color number 2. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this baby tried on and see what it looks like. I'm very interested in this one. Y'all know I love a bang. I love a clip-on bang. I love a drawstring ponytail. So it only made sense to get this. So yeah, I got this from divatress.com. So be sure to check them out. I will have all the information down below in the description box. Yes, honey. Be sure to check out my blog too, where I'll have more pictures of yours truly wearing this unit. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it again. The model, she looks good, honey. She looks cute. Let's see if I can look just as cute in this unit. Alright, we're gonna pull it out the pack. Pull it out the pack. Alright. Do you guys save these little hair nets? I save a few of them. You just never know when you might need a hair net, you know? So I like to keep them, especially for like curly wigs and curly ponytails. Just keep that hair net on them after you are done wearing them. It keeps the curls kind of bouncy if you can just put them back in the nets, you know? Because I like to take my ponytails off before I go to bed. I don't like to sleep with any type of wig, a hairpiece, attachment, none of that. I don't want nothing on my head when I go to bed. Alright, so I'm just taking off the strings and all of that good stuff. Alright, so we're going to take that paper out. Standard drawstring ponytail. You got a comb in the back, your drawstring here, and a comb at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen this thing up some. All the way out. Alright, so this is how wide it gets, honey. Yes, it's pretty big and it can come out a little more. I love that. I love that. So I'm going to go ahead and put on the ponytail portion first. Again, I have this in the color number 2. Look at that curl pattern, that wave pattern, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so as you see, I already have my extendo action going on. I've already pre-wrapped. I'm pretty sure you've already seen one of those videos, so I didn't want to waste your time and do it again. Because I know you know how to do that, okay? You know how. So I'm going to attach it right at the top of that pre-wrap. Find the bottom of the comb, stick it at the base of the ponytail. Now I'm going to grab the string. Here's the string. Then I'm going to pull it tight, pull it tight. I'm looking over here in my mirror. I got a mirror to the side of me. Uh-oh. My ponytail was sticking out that pocket. You want to make sure that your real hair is tucked, honey. We don't need no surprises or nothing peeking out anywhere, honey. Nothing peeking out. Alright, so we got it attached. And this is how it should look once we have it attached. She's cute. Yes, honey, she's cute. She's cute. She's moving. She's moving. So we can do whatever we want to it. Yes, it's pretty. It's pretty. It's pretty. Alright, so then find the string. Find the string. Ball it up. Take one of your hairpins, honey. Keep those hairpins handy because we need those. Alright, ball it up down towards the base of the ponytail. You want to tuck it up as tight as you can so that it's not dangling, hanging, swaying and things. Giving our secret away that we're wearing a drawstring ponytail, honey. I mean, not that it's a big deal or you know, a major secret. Who cares if they know that we're wearing a drawstring, honey? Because our drawstring looks good. We look good over here, honey. We look good. So yes, this is how it looks attached. I really do like it. Only thing I'm not liking right now is that my base of my extendo wrap is a little darker than the hair, the ponytail hair. Yeah, it's a little darker. So we might go ahead and take that off. But let's go ahead and try the bang on. So this is the bang here, your China bang here. China bang. This is what it looks like. Alright, so let's go ahead and take off the netting. We don't need the nets. We don't need it. We don't need it. Is an option with the matching hair. Alright, so now we have it attached. Now this is cute just by itself, honey. Yes, super cute. Now let's go ahead and grab the bang. Here's the bang. Yes, honey, yes. Alright, I'm opening it up. Just snap it down. Snap that thing in place, girl. Snap that thing in place. Snap it. There we go. And that's all we do. Now it's just a little long. The bang is just a little long. But like I said, we can go in with the scissors and clip it. I'm just scared. I just don't want to mess it up. But it's cute though. It is definitely cute. Yes, she's cute. I like it. A little messy bang and pony, honey. Yes. Let me know what you think. Do you like it? Or is this a no for you? But it's just it. But I do like the fact that it comes longer, because what if it was too short and then it's kind of pointless, you know? So I do like that it comes longer, so it gives you the option to, you know, customize it, cut it to your likings. But yeah, I do like the bang. I think it's very, very nice. So if you wanted to wear it even further back, it gives you that option to do that too. And yeah, I like it. Let me know what you think. I think it's cute. I think this is a cute idea. A bang and pony combination. So cute. And again, I got this from divatress.com. Be sure to check out the description box down below to get yourself hooked up with this set here, honey. This two-piece bang and pony set from Preacher's Equal. I like it. I do think it's cute. Now, if you want to do that whole side swept look with the bang, you can definitely do that. Yes, I'm feeling that too. I think that's pretty cute. Yes, honey, these drawstring ponytail styles have come a long, long way. I think they're great. But yeah, let me know what you think. That's it for me. I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. So go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads, because I know you don't want to miss any of my uploads, okay? I know you don't. So subscribe. Do us both that favor, okay? Subscribe. Bye.